Good morning! This is Ebencinas Official again. Studio unit dito sa may second floor, Tower 2. Ayan, so yan ang view. Ayan. So this is not yet finished po. This ongoing, ongoing construction. So ayan ang magiging view nyo. Ayan. So that's Tower 2. Tower 1. Tapos magkakaroon dyan ng park. Tapos ayan naman yung mountain view nyo. Ayan. And then, nandito naman ako sa may balcony. Ayan. Kita naman ang ocean dito. So, sa ngayon, kulay chocolate ang view dyan. Kasi gawa ni Bagyong Goring. Pero, super ganda niyan kapag maganda ang panahon. Blue po yan. So, if you are interested to have a property here, gusto mag-invest, we are now accepting LOI po. Please message us lang po para ma-assist namin kayo. Hope to see you po. Thank you and God bless you. Bye!